Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in this short video I'm going to be showing you some sample footage of the Victure HC100. I'm going to start by giving you a brief overview of the camera, and you can pause it at any time so you can read the information in more detail. If you want to know a bit more about the camera, then I've got a separate video which shows you a few hints and tips that I've put together from what I've learned from using my camera over the last 2 to 3 weeks, and I'll put a link just up here that you can click on and you can watch that. So I hope you enjoyed that, and you can now see the kind of images you can get from the Victure HC100. So if you did enjoy that, give us a thumbs up. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to learn more information about that camera. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which you'll find here or down there. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.